When planning your tile project, the right trims can make all the difference. When it comes to those tricky corners, TrimMaster has you covered. When you have a corner where two TrimMaster trims meet, you can simply miter the edges. But when design vision or installation preferences take center stage, especially with square and bullnose profiles, TrimMaster corner solutions can make all the difference. TrimMaster corners are engineered from high-strength injection molded polymer for ease of versatility and cost-effectiveness. To select your TrimMaster corners, first ensure that your chosen TrimMaster trim has coordinating corners available. Then, count all corners where your trims meet. There are corner profiles designed for either an inside corner or an outside corner, so count those separately. An inside corner would be used, for instance, around a niche. An outside corner would be used where the top and side edges of your tile meet, such as in your shower surround or around a vanity backsplash. TrimMaster corners feature double anchoring legs for easy installation and perfect alignment. One great feature we should mention about the corner pieces is the anchoring legs are easily detachable. If you need a single leg corner, for example to cap a horizontal edge, simply cut off one of the connection legs on the scored mark. File any rough cut is needed. The versatility of the TrimMaster corners ensures simple installation. When cutting your profile trim, remember to deduct the size of the corner from your lengths. Then cut your trims to length using a miter saw, bandsaw, angle grinder, or hacksaw. Always dry fit before installing. To install, embed one length of trim in thin set on your wall, and simply slide the anchoring leg into the end of your profile. Slide the adjoining trim onto the other anchoring leg and embed the trim in thin set. Alternatively, you can assemble both lengths of trim with the corner piece and install all at once. As we mentioned, the anchoring legs are easily removable. This gives you the freedom to install your trims first, and then simply plug your corner into one side. TrimMaster corners provide a flawless professional finish every time. Choose TrimMaster for solutions that truly give the perfect finishing touch.